everybody, Robert here. Welcome to the channel, Driving with Robert. These are for the subscribers, basically local subscribers. I've been working on a project and I'm now ready to start it. It's called Silver Rush. Remember when I made a video about gold and silver? How I was able to take cash and silver, and I was able to get the money to do the modifications to the car. Well, this is an idea that I got after I made that video. When I was talking about the silver and the gold, I got thinking, how can I make this work? So I'm out for a cruise today making today's video, and I figured today would be the day to start the project. The way the project works, Silver Rush is just that. I have purchased some silver coins that are 1 troy ounce pure silver. So the idea is this. I'm going to go out in a city and put 1 coin in a location. I'm going to hide it. I'm going to make a video shot of the location. I'm going to post the video up amongst the video that's called Silver Rush. Now, seeing that this is going to be the flagship video for this, I hope this goes well, because I'd like to do it again and again. This is a way that you can make money. I have bought the silver, and instead of putting cash out amongst the, the elements, I figured, why not do silver? The price goes up and down, and it's basically, teach you a lesson how to store silver and then cash it in. Each coin is worth about whatever the market value is for today. When they were purchased, the way this goes, I go out in a city, I hide the coin in a bag with one of my channel tokens. It's like my business card. It's a round poker chip that I had made for my channel. And instructions. Silver coin with a bag of my channel token. It's like my business card, and instructions. It's very important, if you find the bag with the coin in it, you need to go to the video and comment the location number that's on the sheet. That's so I can keep track of where they get found. idea is great. Now, this is for the local Southern California subscribers. Now, I haven't forgot about the rest of the United States or the world, because I do have subscribers all over the world. I've already checked into doing flights to like Germany, England, you know, Europe, going across the United States. And what I would do is fly out to a certain couple of states and place the coins there so you guys can find them. It's a very big project, and I'm self-funded, so everything comes out of my pocket. The channel has no money at all coming into it. Zero. There's no channel support, dollar-wise. So it's going to be a slow-going project because I have to buy the silver. Now, the best part about this is when you guys find it, it's free money. So whatever the price of silver is that day, you can cash it in or you can start saving it. And that's why I started the project. So you can get into precious metals, and hopefully one day, if this goes over good, we'll get into gold. Now, right now, I checked the gold price, and it's $4,700 an ounce. So that means one gold coin is worth $4,700. So let's hope we can graduate like that. But that's going to take a lot of time. So be on the lookout for the video. It's called Silver Rush. You can find a 1 ounce troy gold, silver coin. I got 3 to start out with. If you can find all 3, and if you guys find them quick, we'll do it again. Now, where to buy silver? There's a place called TraxX NYC, and that's in New York City, USA. He's very honest. It's a jewelry store in New York, and he sells precious metals, and he buys and you know, the jewelry thing. He's trustworthy, so I know when I'm buying product from him, it's real, it's not artificial. And that's called TraxX NYC. He has a YouTube channel, check it out. He's very passionate about what he does. He's been doing this for like over 22 years, I think it is. So check it out. Be on the lookout for the video. Let's give this a shot, and I hope it goes well. I want to thank all my OG subscribers from sticking it from the beginning. It's been over 2 years. I have 241,000 subscribers. That's big. That's huge. That's 250,000. I want to thank all the to me subscribers. Subscribe and stay. Be a sticky subscriber. And always keep a lookout for those zombie drivers. Descriptions in my description for the channel of what a zombie driver is. I need to show you what you're going to be looking for. Since I've been driving for this video, I got to find a location to pull over. You need to see what the bag looks like. Ziploc bag with a silver coin and a channel token and instructions. So here's what one of the bags look like. Looks like this. Inside it, I got the instructions. I got the channel chip. And I have the coin. This is a 1 troy ounce pure silver.